What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to customize your character in Shindo Life. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. After launching the Shindo Life Roblox experience, make sure to access the Edit mode from your game mode selection screen. Here, you have access to a range of customization options. Change your hairstyle, face, beard and so on by clicking on the arrows next to the label. Select the plus icon under your hair to add a second hairstyle, and click on hair color before switching the color in your color select window on the right side of your screen. You can proceed to change your outfit and character as well as its colors before saving your changes. On the right side of your screen, you have access to some additional settings. Change your coat and up to 3 additional accessories, though you're required to have a certain level to use most of these accessories. Below, change your skin color before completing the customization. When this is done, select Elements, Bloodline or Ability Bag to change your current character's abilities. You will see the option to spin for different items in the game. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.